Everyone, it's Jed. Welcome to the Bitcoin update. Sorry if the audio sounds a little bit fuzzy. My microphone is currently charging, but yeah, let's get straight into it. So, Bitcoin, like I mentioned, we're probably going to see, accumulation happen for quite some time, possibly in the next few weeks or so. So if we go to the daily here, we previously had the daily marked over there, right? And so now that we had the green candle confirmation, we can finally move that there. So that's pretty much it for the daily. So from there, we go to the 4 hour time frame. We still have these uptrends. They are still, valid. Nothing has ever changed about these. These are just simply going to act as resistance in the near future. I did mark some local downtrends here. So here's a local downtrend there, one local downtrend there, and here's that daily. As of right now, we can clearly see that it's downtrending. Here's that daily. If that daily breaks, again, it's most likely going to fall within this tested daily or within this next uptrend here against this uptrend. So personally, I don't really see a huge breakout happening in this region. I think it's just going to hold and then possibly break it down below, and, aiming for the next daily, which would be totally fine, guys. I mean, this is just a healthy correction. You don't see a 20K pump, right? So, that's just all part of the bull market. So as of right now, we have this daily that we evolved that's holding the structure of Bitcoin. We have these two downtrend suppressions on the 4 hour. So ultimately, if this daily holds fails again, most likely it'll just fall down to this tested daily or near this next daily uptrend, in my opinion. And then we will see how this 4 hour looks by the time it gets to that region. In the case where that is incorrect and the daily does hold and it breaks out above, obviously you have the next area, which is this next 4 hour downtrend, which is going to act as resistance, right? So we do have this weekly level, right? It looks a little bit ugly here because it's crossing in the bodies of the candles. So we can actually adjust this. So, if you guys want, just so it's clear to see, you can only show on the days and the weeks. So if we go to the weekly here, perfect, you can clearly see that it's actually hard closing below that all-time high weekly right here. So right there, yes. So yes, Bitcoin made, it was in price discovery, but ultimately it closed below that all-time high, right? Which is where you exactly see it closed right below it. So again, it's not a bad thing, guys. Remember, when I say this all the time, that when the same trend, when trend retests the same trend that brought it down, it's a good sign. Okay, so we majority of the time we know where that's headed. So this is your opportunity again to strategize and enter into some altcoins that you feel like you missed out on. Again, I am still accumulating XRP. Yeah, it's in the 60s, 60 range. So, like I said, the pump for XRP wasn't as volatile as some of the altcoins, just like I planned. Again, I think there's going to be a much bigger move for XRP, and that's what I'm betting on again. So for Bitcoin, it's an accumulation. Most likely, we can see a very similar trend in price action for all these altcoins. It's going to be a probably boring update, but also a very important one because this is where I'll mark the supports for you guys to start entering in, start strategizing, maybe add a 5% additional to your entry, 10%, etc. So really, really not much, to update. I know it's boring, guys, but this is the, times where you want to begin looking at your altcoins. And again, sorry to sound like a broken record player, but strategizing on when you want to enter to ride up the next uptrend. So I'll see you on the altcoin update, guys. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Bye.